Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. In this class, we will learn how to add like a simple addition of two numbers of last digit. So I'll explain. So consider 4, 5, 8, 6 or 8, 6. And the first number is 4, 5, 8, 6, and the second number is 2, 3, 5, 4. So what is the last number for first number? It is 6. And what is the last number for the 2, 3, 5, 4? It's 4. So the addition of 6 plus 4 is 10. So we will do like how can we achieve this program in Java. So let us start the program. So as I told you, if you want to give any input, you have to write import java.util.star. So as we know, scanner s is equal to new scanner system.in. So consider two numbers as input. The first number is c.nextInt, and the second number. So we have taken two inputs, and the first one is n1, and the second one is n2, and we will take another two variables, which is int data type. The first variable is result 1. So the result 1 is equal to n1 mod 10. So whenever you do modulus by 10, so you will get the last digit of any number. So again, I'm repeating. So whenever, if you want the last digit, use 10. So whenever, for example, let us consider 4, 5, 6, 7. So when you mod 4, 5, 6, 7 with 10, you will get 7. If you modulus 100, you'll get 6. And 1000, you'll get 5. And 10,000, you'll get 4. So likewise, 10 means 7, 100 means 6, 1000 means 5, 10,000 means 4. So likewise, you will get the digits of a number. So in this program, we just want the last digit. So the last digit is 7. So that's why we are using 10. And one modulus 10. So we'll get the last digit. Likewise, only second one. And 2 mod 10. So simply we'll add result 1 plus result 2. So what we have done is, so we have taken two inputs for the, if we want to give two numbers as input, we have taken two inputs n1 and n2, and we have taken another two inputs, like another two variables, sorry, to result 1 and result 2. So we are storing the last digit in the result 1 of n1, and and in the result 2, we are storing the last digit of n2. So simply we are adding the last digits. So result 1 plus result 2. Let us run this program. So we got an error. So see here, we have opened this class, we have closed this class, but in this function, we did not close this bracket. So that's why it's giving error. Let's close this one and we'll run it. So we don't have any errors. So the first number is 4523 and the second number is 5654. So the first number, like the last number is 3 for the first number, and the last number is 4 for the second number. So the addition of 4 plus 3 is 7. So we have to get the 7 as output. See here, we got 7. So, for example, we will run this program again. We will take another input 6589987 8. So the last digit is 9. So the last digit is 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. So we have to get the 17 as an output. So see here, we got 17 as our output. So that's all the program. So we will get the last digits of two numbers, and we have done the simple addition. So not only addition, we can do subtraction, any operations we can do. So I hope you you have learned how to use Modulus. I hope so. If you like this video, uh, press the like button and subscribe my channel. And if you want more videos of mine, press the bell icon so you can get the more videos of mine. Thank you so much.